how you pay for a parking lot. I really have to show this, right? That's my car right there. My Acura TL car. And okay. Oh, there we go. Insert the card. Then remove your card.
Where are you going?
Oh
my god.
Well,
If you knew where I parked.
I don't know. Where'd you park?
Oh, the way.
All the way to where?
Back on that street. Girl, this is the same place we came the other time.
Uh-huh.
Don't you remember?
Yeah, so why did you let me go
Why
here?
Are you filming this? Because
I'm just teaching everyone how to
you teaching
park.
or you learning?
Yeah.
I wanted to go to this other place, this Italian restaurant.
Okay, let's go. Let's use my car.
No, it's across the pier, right?
Okay.
And then I come again, give you the same freaking address for that place. Hi.